friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a pretty exciting video. The 6-pack of Scott's paper towels are back at Walgreens for $5. A lot of you might remember last year they phased them out and they went to a smaller 4-pack, but the 6-packs are back and they are on the website, probably in the store. And we are going to be looking at some deals, but I just want to go through this really quickly because this is a big deal for us for us extreme couponers, especially if you have animals. Those extra 2 rolls that, will probably be a lot more paper towel than what we were getting. It's a move in the right direction by Scott. So they'll be $5, and they're also part of the buy one get one 50% off, which is really fantastic. What we had for the last year was this goofy little pack. It was a little 4-counter, and they were part of it. 4 equals 7, but really do the math on that. I'm wondering when they're going to get clearanced out. I'm assuming it just was not popular with customers, because it is so flippin' chintzy, the rolls. And I don't know, it was shrinkflation at its finest. So they're going back to Old Faithful, and we're pretty excited. And I just kind of show you guys how thick they are. It was nothing short of like a toilet paper roll. And with paper towel, you want something a little bit more spectacular than that, because these really didn't ever last me long, and I have animals, and I'm always cleaning up little messies. So I'm pretty excited by this, and in the next couple of weeks, when we have more coupons that populate, definitely I would be stocking up. Okay, so we're going to be looking to do these deals with a curbside pickup. I know there's $1 digital for the Scott's paper towel, but it's only attaching to that goofy little 4-roll. So that's why doing it this way, you'll get extra savings with coupon codes. So the first deal that we're going to look at, and if you've desperately missed these 6-packs, that's what we're diving into. It is to throw in 3 of those 6-packs of paper towel for $12.50. And unfortunately, guys, that $1 digital isn't attaching. I mean, if you want to call customer service later, maybe they'll give you that credit. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Use the code WAG10 for an extra $1.25 off. And that is nothing to sneeze at. And then just to show you, the overall total for the basket is $12.50. $1.25 coming off with WAG 10, free curbside pickup and tax. So the total there is $11.93. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay $1.93. And doing this curbside, you just are able to use that WAG 10 code, so you're saving something on the front end. I would also recommend, if you're going to go do this, go and get it, because these paper products are quite bulky, and they usually keep these at the photo counter, and it just will start stacking up. So I would probably go put the order in and go and get it right away, just to be kind to the employees at the store. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 2, and this one is completely in a different lane, but I don't know, was I asleep at the wheel yesterday? We have $10.99 for this massive pack of 16 rolls of Angel Soft, and I know a lot of you are all about the Georgia Pacific paper, so I have you covered literally and figuratively with this, and we have $1 digital that's attaching. The original price for this, I think, was like $14 or $16.99. It's just crazy. So we'll throw one of these into a basket. I know larger markets sell these larger rolls. So if you live in a small town, you might be out of luck. And this is the digital that you're going to load $1 off. And code WAG10 is also attaching to all of this. So that's why I would recommend to do it curbside. And I would go right away to pick it up if you're going to put this order in, because it'll take up like most of the counter at photo. Now, just to get the math to balance, I just threw in one of these Walgreens paper towels for $1.29. Using the code WAG10, $1.13 is melting off. So basically that paper towel that we threw in. So the overall total is $12.28. WAG 10 taking $1.13 off. Free curbside pickup, $1 digital melting off. So the total there is $10.82. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it, and pay the 82 cents and call this a very fantastic deal. And I would definitely be stocking up on this. And when these 4 counts of Scott, guys, go on clearance, which I'm assuming they will because they were not popular Obviously, with shoppers, I will let you guys know like what the clearance price is. They'll probably go very quickly. You know, couponers love to stock up on these paper products on the cheap at Walgreens. So whenever I figure that out, I will share with you guys. That's it for this video, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.